further ado, we're gonna be bringing out our penguins along with me, my colleague Ahmed. Alright, and I can see some penguins are coming out here. Ski Dubai, we house two different species of Antarctic penguins, particularly a king penguin. They are the second largest penguin in the world, next to the biggest penguin, emperor penguin. King penguin, they got the name king, it's because of the yellow marks on their heads resembles like a crown. You're gonna see these beautiful striking yellow feathers. The one who discovered them long time ago, way back 1800s, thought that these penguins wearing something like a king's crown. That's the name, king penguin. Within those yellow feathers also you will find their ears. These penguins can grow up to 96 centimeters to be exact, and weighs around 20-25 kilograms. And let me introduce you with our characters for this afternoon. And joining us here, my colleague Don right here, and he's bringing you a smaller type of penguin. So let's begin with our smaller penguin right there. But they're the third biggest. They're known to be as the athlete of the penguin world, the fastest swimming penguin in the planet. And he brought you Lucifer. Wow. Sounds like a bad boy, right? Lucifer. Yes, before he was, but now he is such a gentleman now because he's married. Yes, he is now 13 years old. He's married to a lovely penguin inside. And now he became more gentle, relaxed, and very, very good penguin. Yeah, you see how good he is? He follows Trainer Don whenever he goes, wherever he goes. He listens, he follows. The moment he follows, of course, he gets something as a reward. Yeah, could be a bat, good boy toys, and his favorite reward is fish. Yum yum. And penguins love seafoods. They get lots of it here. Top quality fish, squid, shrimps, sardines, small crustaceans, they love it. They can eat as much as 3 kilo fish every day here at Ski Dubai. All top quality, fit for even trainers' consumption. That you can see trainers are very healthy here, right?